At EmblePCB Technosolutions Private Limited, we don't just manufacture electronics, we engineer excellence. Every journey begins with trust, and here, professionalism, precision, and commitment define every interaction. Inside our production environment, discipline meets technology. Our team operates under strict ESD-controlled conditions, ensuring uncompromised quality at every step. Built for performance and scalability, our facility is designed to deliver seamless end-to-end PCB solutions, from concept to volume production. This is where precision takes center stage. Our SMT line combines advanced automation with engineering expertise to achieve unmatched accuracy. The process begins with perfectly prepared solder paste, optimized for consistency, reliability, and performance. Using high-precision stencil printing, solder paste is applied with exact alignment, ensuring flawless connectivity across every PCB. Driven by speed and accuracy, our Neoden N8 pick-and-place system handles up to 25,000 components per hour, delivering precision at scale. As the boards move through our automated conveyor systems, continuous visual inspection ensures quality integrity. Our well-organized feeder racks and component storage enable efficiency, traceability, and control. The reflow process is carefully controlled, where precise thermal profiling ensures strong, reliable solder joints across every component. The result, a perfectly assembled SMT board, built to perform in demanding environments. Beyond automation, craftsmanship matters. Our skilled technicians carry out through-hole assembly with meticulous attention, maintaining the highest standards of workmanship. Every product undergoes rigorous inspection and testing, from optical quality checks to functional validation using advanced tools, ensuring performance you can trust. Supported by strong in-house inventory and strategic BOM sourcing, we ensure seamless supply chain management and faster turnaround times. At EmblePCB, we go beyond manufacturing. We build lasting partnerships, transforming ideas into scalable, high-quality solutions.
At EmblePCB, we don't see ourselves as just a service provider. We see ourselves as a true partner in our customer's journey. Our approach is simple. We collaborate closely with our client at every stage, from design to final assembly, ensuring that every product we build is just not only the high quality, but also scalable for future growth. We offer complete turnkey solutions, from PCB design and BOM sourcing to full build box assembly, provide a seamless end-to-end manufacturing experience under one roof. We support our customers throughout the entire product life cycle, from initial prototyping to full-scale production, helping them move faster from idea to market with confidence. In today's competitive electronics industry, success is not just about delivering a product, it's about delivering reliability, consistency, and the ability to scale with demand. That's exactly what we focus on. By working in partnership with our customers, we understand their challenges, align with their goals, and provide solutions that are efficient, cost-effective, and future-ready. At EmblePCB, our mission is to turn ideas into high-quality products and scalable products together. We are EmblePCB.